If your nights are feeling rushed, restless, or just not giving you that I woke up glowing energy, welcome back to Beautyistic, the space where beauty meets real life. Tonight, we're talking about a product designed around one simple idea. What happens while you sleep matters just as much as what you apply during the day. This is the Holler and Glow Bedtime Basics Accessories Holiday Set, a limited edition 4-piece beauty sleep kit created specifically for women who want their nighttime routine to work a little smarter. And before we get comfortable, make sure you're subscribed, tap that bell, and stay connected for honest beauty reviews that actually help you decide what's worth your money. This set is all about supporting hair, skin, and sleep habits through accessories rather than active skincare. Inside, you get a silky sleep eye mask, a matching silk-style scrunchie, a scalp massager designed to support hair growth routines, and a satin pillowcase. The goal here isn't overnight miracles. It's reducing friction, tension, and unnecessary damage while you rest. Holler and Glow positions this as a beauty sleep essential rather than a luxury splurge, and that distinction matters. Starting with the materials, the silky fabric used throughout the set is soft, lightweight, and smooth against both hair and skin. The pillowcase is where you'll notice the biggest difference first. Satin-style fabrics reduce drag compared to cotton, which means less pulling on the hair cuticle and less creasing on the skin. If you wake up with flattened curls, frizz around the crown, or pillow lines on your face, this addresses those issues in a very practical way. It feels cool to the touch, doesn't trap heat, and holds up well night after night. The eye mask follows the same theme: lightweight, gentle, and comfortable enough to wear through the night without digging into the skin or sliding off. It blocks light effectively without feeling bulky, which is important if you're sensitive around the eye area or prone to waking up with marks. The scrunchie is another small but thoughtful addition. It has enough hold to secure hair overnight without tension, and because the surface is smooth, it minimizes breakage and creasing, especially for fine or textured hair. The scalp massager adds a slightly more active element to the set. It's designed to be used on dry or damp hair and fits naturally into wash days or evening scalp routines. While a tool like this won't magically create new hair growth on its own, regular scalp stimulation can support circulation and product distribution, which is exactly how it's meant to be used here. The bristles are flexible enough to feel comfortable without scratching, and it's easy to control pressure. In real-world use, this set is incredibly easy to incorporate. Nothing requires extra steps or learning curves. You switch your pillowcase, swap your hair tie, add a few minutes of scalp massage, and go to sleep. Over time, that's where the benefits build. Less tangling in the morning, smoother hair lengths, fewer sleep creases, and a more intentional nighttime routine overall. The main limitation is that results are subtle and cumulative. This is about prevention and maintenance, not dramatic transformation. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Looking at the pros and cons, the biggest strengths are the cohesive design, softness of the materials, and how well everything works together as a set. It's beginner-friendly, teen-appropriate, and gentle enough for sensitive skin and hair. On the downside, this isn't real silk. It's a silky synthetic. So if you're specifically looking for mulberry silk, that's something to keep in mind. Also, if you already own satin pillowcases or scalp tools, there may be some overlap. In terms of value, this set makes sense when you consider you're getting 4 coordinated accessories rather than purchasing them individually. The price is justified by the convenience, the consistency and quality, and the gifting appeal. Compared to buying a single premium silk pillowcase alone, this offers broader coverage for hair and sleep routines at a more accessible price point. When compared to similar beauty sleep kits on the market, Holler and Glow stands out for its playful branding, cruelty-free and vegan positioning, and focus on trends women actually use. Some alternatives offer higher-end materials, but they often lack the all-in-one practicality this set provides. The build quality is solid. Stitching is neat, the pillowcase holds its shape after washing, and the massager feels durable enough for regular use. With proper care, this is a set that should last well beyond the holiday season. Holler and Glow also has a strong reputation for being responsive and community-driven, especially across social platforms. While I didn't need to contact customer support personally, the brand is known for engaging with its audience and addressing concerns quickly. So, here's the bottom line. This set does exactly what it promises. It supports better beauty habits while you sleep. It's ideal for women who want to protect their hair, wake up with smoother skin, and turn bedtime into a small act of self-care without overcomplicating things. If you're expecting instant, dramatic changes, this isn't that. But if you value consistency, comfort, and prevention, this set fits beautifully into your routine. Thank you so much for spending your time with me here on Beautyistic. You'll find the product link in the comments or description box. And if you've already tried this set, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.